What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the media rear view mirror, how they call it, stream media rear view mirror from the brand Jansite, which is actually worth its price, I guess. And this mirror cost on AliExpress with sales right now less than $40. So I got it for around 38 bucks here. And let's open it up, let's see whether it's worth to buy. So you have this box like that, so Jansite brand here. On the back you have, okay, like this. So what's inside? Okay, it's just what they produce: car DVR, air pump, car player, car monitor. Shenzhen Jansite technology. Okay, nothing else here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have this old school package, but it's very reliable. Then the DVR itself. What else we've got here? We have the camera. So it should be Full HD camera. Actually, you have the things to hold it up to your car. And what else here is the camera itself. There's the camera name here, ZL3683A. That's how it looks like, brand new, really small, and I guess it's around 6 meters of cable, 2.5mm jack here, and let's unstick it, 4-pin connector. I don't know whether you see it, but it's 4-pin connector here as well. And this thing is for connecting to your backlight. Then when you set it back, the camera will automatically turn on. Alright, so this camera we can put back, maybe later on we need it again. And then we have this two rubbers to adjust it and connect it to your mirror. You have it's a gift, micro SD USB 2.0. I don't know, I don't really need it. Also you have the microfiber to clean your DVR or your phone. Also Jansite here written, branded as well. Then you have the user manual here, basically in all the needed languages. Just keep it here, and connector to the car socket. And let's check it out. What kind of connector? 5-volt input is 1224 volt, and output is 5 volt 2.5 milliampere. So basically it is around 12.5 watt needed for this one. The cable is quite long, so that's how it looks like here. I don't know, maybe some indicator will be. Alright, so let me connect the DVR to the network. Firstly, let's open it up and see how it looks like. So from backside you have, I don't know, is it model or serial number, but that's how it looks like from back. So reset button here, this all things to cool it up. Then you have adjustable camera, and also you can move it down left and right and fix it in the center. From the bottom you have, I guess it's microphone and turn on button. From the top, what we've got here, we have the mini USB, we have the camera connector, AV, how they call it, micro SD card connector, and GPS connector here available as well. From left, from right, it's nothing. Actually, that's how this camera looks like from the front. Quite accurate, actually. That's actually it is. And also it's a bit currently I have the made protection here, so you can put it off and then it will be a bit more bright than you see. And also it's a bit dark, so at night you will not you will actually feel better when someone driving behind you. Then you will not be it will not be that bright. And currently let's connect it to the power. So I've got mini USB cable, just regular one to USB, and I have the power bank here, so just connect it to the power bank and turn it on, as I'm not in the car right now. Basically that's the way how you can turn it on. Alright, turn on Jansite. So I have speaker here, as you hear. Okay, the camera, as you see, it's actually a quite huge angle here. You can move it down and up, so it's really huge angle here. Let's open the settings. We have car. Actually here what you have is indication of the date and time. You have car DVR. Actually I will connect the camera later. You can also change the brightness. Only 3 levels available, not that many. Photograph, you can make a photo and check it out. Then playback, if you insert the card you can have a playback. The settings, so the streaming media, all front, all rear, or equal. Basically I have only one camera right now. Volume settings, let's disable it to 0. Video resolution, you have Full HD 1080p 720p. For the recording, for photo quality 5, 8, 10 or 12 megapixel. Loop recording 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Then exposure compensation, actually it's by default. Night vision, turn on, turn off. Motion detection, off. Recording audio, off. G sensor, high, medium, low, let's turn it off. So actually motion detection G sensor is about, the languages here available: Turkish, English, Chinese and Russian. Parking, actually also high, medium, low, need to check it out what is given to us. Auto screen off. 1 minute. Luminance settings high, medium or low. Date settings, format, restore factory, firmware information, so it's how it is here, you can see. Okay, that's basically it from the settings. So night vision I think may be useful. Parking, motion detection G sensor I'm not using. Stream media you can select. Okay, let's connect the camera. I think it will be more interesting when the camera connected. As you see here, I'm connecting it through 2.5 millimeters. Let's open the settings. Let's set to equal. Card DVR, as you see here, camera is connected. Okay. The quality is quite good actually. It's even readable, the text, etc. Of course, no focus here. Parking mode, we cannot unfortunately test it out because I need to connect it to my car, and I think it will be next video how I'm connecting it and a full test drive of this DVR. For now it's just unboxing and brief review. Also from advantages, you can easily switch left, right, so you can just keep your back camera, keep the front camera, or just make it equal like this. Also quite convenient to have this option. From top here you have the indication what kind of settings are active right now, and basically the most advantage and why I have it, I don't use DVR at all, but I use this camera for parking, and actually you need to have like 12 volts here, and then you will see what will happen. Actually the parking will be activated and you will see it from a back. So basically that's how it looks like. That's a brief unboxing, and next I will install it in my car in the next video and make a brief review how it works, and when I turn on parking mode, how it's supporting me in my parking. Alright, basically if you have some question, leave it in the comments below, wait for the next video, put a thumbs up and see you next time.